Hey there, fellow wanderers. My name's Stan Cromlish. Welcome back to another episode of The Wandering Gypsy RV Life. Today, I'm going to take you through the leak that I posted on Instagram and Facebook a few weeks ago. I've gotten it fixed, and Bertie Bea no longer has water coming into her bathroom. And let me just show you what we did. We built a dam between the exterior of Bertie Bea and the interior on the slide rail. I'm going to show you that now. You can see the dam built with two pieces of rubber. Water no longer ingresses into Bertie Bea at this point. I am thrilled with the outcome of this repair. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of The Wandering Gypsy RV Life, where life on the road is never easy at times, but always fun and enjoyable. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, join us on the podcast, and check out our website for tips, tricks, and lessons learned from life on the road. Remember, not all who wander are lost. Thank you for tuning in.